What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna talk about 5 dysfunctions of a team, how you can avoid them and build your dream team for your adult day center, for your business. My name is Chris Chan. I'm the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And if you could do me a big favor, like, comment, subscribe, and we might give you one of these bad looking glasses. I just self-beeped. Anyways, if you want an Active Age pair of sunglasses, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, put it in the comments, let me know, and we'll send you one. But you gotta comment. I'm watching you. That's not creepy. Anyways, 5 dysfunctions of a team. This is not my theory. This is a gentleman by the name of Patrick Lencioni. I think I said his name right, but he actually wrote a book called 5 Dysfunctions of a Team. It's a great book, and I think it's a very important foundation for any team to go through the book together, to learn what it means, and to really take to heart the information that it shares there. So that being said, we're gonna kind of dive into it today. I know this is profoundly this was a game changer for us when we built our team, and we still and we're actually currently reading this book as we speak, so I thought it'd be a good time to bring it up. That being said, lack of trust. What does that mean? The core foundation of any team, especially strong teams, they're built on a foundation of trust. So if there's lack of trust within the organization, this means people are gonna have a hard time sharing how they really feel. People are gonna hide mistakes that they might make. They're not gonna be willing to open up and be vulnerable. They're gonna make assumptions. They're going to kind of maybe have resentment towards other people on their team. But really strong teams that trust each other, they're going to be able to work together. They believe that everyone on that team is working their very best, to contribute towards the mission, the vision. They're willing to be more vulnerable and open with each other and share how they really feel. Teams that have that trust, they're typically more high performing teams. And once you build the foundation of trust, it really allows you to do the rest. But the next area that people have a tendency to get in trouble in is a fear of conflict. Look, we know just how hard it is to have difficult conversations. We know sometimes we can get in a room with our team and everyone's opinionated. Everyone has their own ideas and their opinions on things. And those things can lead to people shutting down, not being willing to share their beliefs. Maybe because if they don't have trust or they're not feeling like they can be vulnerable. So if you can build a strong team that has a strong, solid foundation of trust, and then you can layer it with the ability to actually have healthy debates, being able to share your opinions to work together towards a better solution where you're challenging one another's viewpoints, and ultimately you come out with a better outcome. If you can do that, then you're moving to that next level of strength. And this is where then you run into maybe another problem where there's a lack of commitment. You might go into your team meetings, and in these team meetings you may experience that people are not engaged, or maybe you go into those meetings and you have the same conversations over and over again, but you're not making any progress from the last meeting to the next meeting. And a lot of this could be the fact that the team itself is not committed because of the fact that they don't have clear objectives. They don't have a clear role, or they don't have a clear idea as to what it is that they're supposed to be bringing to that meeting, what it is that they're supposed to be doing on a daily basis. Do they have clarity in their role? Do they have clarity in their responsibilities? So being able to provide that and is going to create much more engaged employees. Number 4, the avoidance of accountability. This is one of those things that can just creep up within an organization and cause it to begin to crumble if people are not being held to the standards that you guys set as an organization. So if you're able to hold people on your team accountable, if your leadership team's able to hold other members on your team accountable, and you can hold the entire organization up to a certain standard that you guys set as a team, then you're going to create a very strong environment, a powerhouse of strength, because of the fact that you can hold each other accountable. You're willing to call out behaviors that are maybe not acceptable. You're willing to deal with issues and solve problems and resolve things because you're able to hold people to this higher standard and hold them to the standard that you guys set together as an organization. And then last but not least, the inattention to results. This is one of those things where, look, if you're on a team, right? Like you're working together as a group. If any business, any organization, if they're going to win, the entire organization wins. The entire business wins. There's no one winner. Like a business is not like tennis. It's not like golf. In business, you're on a team, and the team, in order to win, has to win together. And this is why it's so important that the team itself has a focus, a clarity on the outcome, that everyone is bought into the outcome, the goals, whatever the goals are, whatever that 1 year, 3 year, or 5 year vision is everyone on that team bought in, or is sales just winning? But over here, customer service, sucks, and they're drowning and they're not hitting or achieving their goals. Well, if that's the case, what can sales do to help customer service achieve their goals? It's one of those things where, look, the organization has to come together as a whole and say, look, we own all of the success, all of our results, our outcomes, our goals. We own them as a whole. So if there is an area of the company that is not performing or that is not successful, we as a group of individuals need to unite and then go figure out how to support and then enhance that part of the company and make it better, so we can win as a team. Because there's literally, at the end of the day, business is a team sport. It is not an individual sport. So that being said, guys, 5 Dysfunctions of a Team. If you haven't already, make sure you go get the book, by Patrick Lencioni. It's a fantastic book. And again, this is a great starter book if you're first putting together a team. This is a great book to share with everyone, because it helps create an awareness on your team as to why you do the things that you do and how important it is in order to be successful. That being said, guys, if you want to start your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. You can go there and you can join us for our monthly free webinars. If you would like to join our Facebook group, you can find it there as well. And if you'd like to own your very own Active Age, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.